The sky isn't blue because it's blue. Every day we look up and see a vast expanse of blue. But the reason for this color isn't as simple as it appears. The secret begins with sunlight itself. While it may look white to us, sunlight is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, each traveling as waves of different lengths. When sunlight reaches Earth, it doesn't glide straight through the air. Instead, beams of light collide with molecules of nitrogen and oxygen, as well as tiny specks of dust floating in the atmosphere. This encounter triggers a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and violet, are scattered in every direction much more efficiently than longer wavelengths, such as red and yellow. Our eyes are better at perceiving blue than violet, and much of the violet light is absorbed higher in the atmosphere. The result is that blue light dominates our view. As blue waves scatter, they reach us from every part of the sky, filling our vision with blue wherever we look. From space, the story shifts. With no atmosphere to scatter sunlight, the sky appears black, and the sun shines pure white. The blue we see from the ground is not a fixed attribute of the sky itself, but the outcome of sunlight's journey through our atmosphere and the way our eyes and brains respond to scattered light. So, the colors we see, whether in the sky or all around us, are shaped by the fundamental laws of physics. Color depends on the incredible interplay of light and matter.